Just got this new bag from BREVITY, the ROLLTOP bag. Can't wait to try this out. So we're going up to Toronto for a 3-day shoot. I thought I would do a super quick episode on my mobile command center. Looks just like a touch bar iMac Pro, but it's got Velcro on the back. Why? I don't know. Probably because it's a command center. Okay, so we're starting with a 2017 Touch Bar 15-inch 2.9 gigahertz i7. This puppy has enough power to do all of my editing needs. Before you give me for getting the Touch Bar version, I got an incredible deal on this. I know it's not the best. We're too late now. I'm committed. Finally packed. This laptop only has 500 gigabytes of internal SSD storage. That's not enough to get a project done or for me to even back up any of my shoots. I edit a ton at home. I have a supercomputer. I edit everything on it. So I need to have all the files with me. Problem solved. Velcro on the back. What about heat dissipation? Totally fine. I really didn't want to have to do this, but I ran out of time. I'm gonna have to take you guys with me. So far, I like this bag. Looking like a command center already. I don't know what programs Apple is running when they test out this alleged 10-hour battery life, but when I'm crushing out a 4K edit, all I get is 2. All right, so the SMP battery installed in this thing has about 6,600 milliamps. So the programs I use consume so much energy that buys me about 2 hours. That's just not enough time. Now your first bet is a MOHPIE. You can buy this at the Apple Store. It's $149. 9,700 milliamp hours sounds like it would be 140% of that battery. It's not. When you go battery to battery, you actually lose a little bit of the conversion. I've heard anywhere between 25 and 35%. So to be conservative, let's call it 40% loss, which means this MOHPIE is only gonna buy me an additional 2 hours of editing. 50,000 milliamps, 129 bucks. We're gonna get about 10 hours of 4K editing time, in theory. I forgot the newer Air Canada planes actually have wall sockets so you can stay plugged in the entire time. But as a test, I've been on battery. So far, we've depleted the internal battery down to 20% left on the MOHPIE, and I'm about to switch over to this big boy right here. This thing is huge, but I normally bring this on my trips because I use this to charge my camera, my phone. It powers my monitors, my lights. See, you have different voltages, 5 volts, 12 volts, and 20 volts. So now, with this little adapter, it now powers my laptop too. Excuse me, my command center. Bro, what do you think of my command center? Yo, what the fuck? What's super dope is I have these little nano stickers that are underneath the laptop. It's basically a reusable double-sided sticky tape to kind of lock the laptop in place.
What the fuck?
Good morning. I don't even drink coffee anymore. Check this out. This is that nano stick that I was telling you about. Don't break. Don't break. Fuck. Ah. See this? Totally reusable. This is nano stick. I use this on the bottom of my laptop, and then I put it on the airplane tray, and that way it's like locked in there. I could even fold up the tray if I want. Command center. So on the flight, this little guy kept disconnecting. I think it's because or whatnot. Proceed with caution. I haven't found one that actually works 100%. You don't even have to use a caddy. You can just use the SSD cards and then just get one of these cables. This is that SSD to USB-C And then here you go. And it's actually a lot thinner and smaller. I mean, I don't care what I use, as long as it performs the actions that I need. And don't disconnect while I'm editing. Not a command center yet. I still have not depleted this, by the way. All right, this is looking pretty sweet. It's not a command center yet.
Easy, easy.
Command center. I'm having trouble getting the television to switch inputs. Yeah, I want to hook it up to my command center. You got anything bigger, like a 60 inch?